Hello, hello. So we are back today to talk about an exciting topic that's on the minds of many people because we're in selling season. How to boost my home's market value. Home improvement projects are the #1 way. So whether you're planning to sell soon or you just want to invest for the future and you want some quiet enjoyment, these upgrades really do make a huge difference. Well, hello, my name is Natalie Dean, and I am your trusted real estate expert here in the Bethesda market, licensed in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. And in this video, I'm going to share the top projects that increase a home's value. I'm going to provide some real-life examples and give you some tips on whether or not you should DIY or you should hire a pro. So let's dive in. Let's get started. Top #1 project is the kitchen, the heart of the home. Individuals spend a lot of time there. It's whether, you're cooking for family, you're having friends over. Normally, the kitchen is the hearth. So what can you do? Doing things like new countertops, updating that laminate or the cabinetry, modernizing the appliances. So for instance, you have laminate countertops, or maybe you have an older granite style. Upgrade with new granite, new quartz. Brands like Caesarstone and Cambria really give your kitchen a high-end look and a designer style. Subway tile backsplash is very, very stylish these days. Lighting fixtures like pendant lights, Kichler, Westell, makers like that. These are things that really do draw and attract our buyers. And then high-end energy efficient appliances like GE, Bosch, Samsung add a significant value. Let's move on to bathroom remodels. So you don't have to spend a ton of money. You really don't, to overhaul your bathroom and to see a return on investment. You can focus on cost-effective improvements like replacing outdated fixtures with modern ones, like from Kohler or Moen. Regrouting tile is a big deal. Installing a new vanity, little things like that. Opting for vanities with quartz countertops and soft closed drawers. Brands like even IKEA and Home Depot. A fresh coat of paint in neutral counter. All of these things, they really do add a significant value and make a huge difference on the appeal of a bathroom. And it can be done on a budget, but it can have a huge impact on your home's value. #3, but never to be ignored, is curb appeal. That is the first thing that people do or see when they drive up to your home. So curb appeal greatly enhances the attractiveness of your home. Simple landscaping. It can be greenery, planting trees, adding just a touch, a splash of flowers and color to the beds, maintaining a beautiful green lawn. It makes the home so much more inviting. And again, these are things that you can DIY. You can consider going to a local nursery. They'll give you the more popular choices for the area, boxwoods, hydrangeas. But then don't forget about painting, exterior colors, and adding just a fresh coat of paint from, it makes a huge difference. Installing outdoor lighting from places like Ring or Maxa Innovations can also boost the curb appeal. Outside lighting makes all the difference in the world. Next on our list is going to be energy efficient upgrades. They're not only good for the environment, but they also can increase the home's value and decrease your carbon footprint. So insulation and upgrading windows and double pane options from like Pella and Anderson, installing energy efficient appliances from Energy Star that are Energy Star rated, brands like LG and Whirlpool. These improvements really do not only reduce the energy bill, but they really make your home more attractive, especially because we're in an area where people are very eco-conscious. And so when you replace those old windows with double pane windows, you really do improve the energy efficiency and you add a significant value to your home. #5 on the list is smart home technology. It's becoming all the rage these days. So, what is smart home technology? Why is it increasingly popular, and how can it add value to your home? Well, installing smart thermostats like Nest and Ecobee, security systems from ADT or Ring, smart lighting from Philips and Loudoun, these make your home more appealing. We are dealing with buyers who are much more tech savvy. And so these devices not only add convenience, but they also enhance the safety and the efficiency of your home. So let's look at how incorporating smart home technology really can boost your home's marketability. Well, they allow for remote access. So we have busy buyers here in the Bethesda area and the DMV. And so they can establish automated routines like lighting schedules and climate controls. And these things really simplify daily routines, which is what people are looking for. Or single individuals, single women, they want to have their house all lit up when they come home. So these amenities really do make the home extremely attractive to our incoming borrowers. So what's an ROI analysis on these type of investment projects? According to various studies, kitchen remodels alone offer 70 to 80%, while bathroom remodels can offer about a 60 to 70% ROI. Curb appeal, sometimes it can be up to 100%. And then energy efficiency upgrades and smart home technology upgrades, they're a little lower on the scale at 5%, but let's think about it. On a $300,000 house, that's $15,000. And we talk all the time about the average cost of homes in Bethesda is 2 to 3 times that. So it really does make these homes much more, or make your home much more attractive to incoming buyers. And it really can possibly increase the price of your home. So should you DIY? Should you get a professional? It really depends on the complexity of the project and the skill level that's needed. So, when you're thinking about painting, you're thinking about landscaping, maybe minor repairs, those are things you could DIY. You could use brands like Behr, Sherwin-Williams. These are excellent DIY friendly, products that give you a great finish. But more complex projects like kitchen remodels, electrical work, anything that's involving structural changes, it could be best to hire a professional, especially if you don't have any type of background in that area. You often can spend money and actually not get the ROI that you're looking for. So let's talk about some success stories. I have a success story. I have 2 of them actually. I have a client who upgraded their kitchen and their bathroom with modern finishes like we spoke about, brands like the Caesarstone and Kohler, and they actually saw a 20% increase in their home's value. But then I had a client who had a smaller budget and they focused on curb appeal, just upgrading, doing some nice landscaping to their yard. They got some plants from a local nursery. They painted the exterior. And all of these things resulted actually in a sale that was 10 days on market and well above our asking price. So really doing very targeted projects on your home can greatly increase your property's value. So if you've found these tips to be extremely helpful and ways in which you can improve your property's value, then let me know. And if you have other tips that you've done and you've seen an increase in home value, share it below. This is a community. We would love to get some of that feedback. But as always, I'm here to give you advice. So please reach out to me. If you're relocating, you're investing in the DMV area, I'm licensed in DC, Maryland, and Virginia and can provide you a plethora of information. I'm a resource. And I also have connections with other top-notch professionals all over the world. So no matter where you're looking to buy, I can help you. I really have appreciated you listening. As always, like and subscribe. You'll get notified ways in which you can continue to get the best amount of return for your property's home value. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you the next time around.